Hey teachers, do you teach your science lessons like this? Or like this? This? Or like this? This or... well, you get the idea. Generation Genius brings videos, lessons, worksheets, and so much more right into your classroom for an experience teachers and students love. But don't just take my word for it.
Hey teachers, it's me, Josie Benskov. I'm a teacher just like you. I teach 6th grade science. I've got a one-stop shop for you. It's called Generation Genius. It's K through 8th grade videos, math and science. They have lessons attached to them. They have Kahoots already made for you.
And they create these really fun, engaging, easy to understand videos for our students that are all aligned to the next generation science standards.
And they do so many cool experiments in the videos, and if anything, they can give you ideas for what to do in your classroom.
My students' favorite part of the Generation Genius site is the DIY activities. They are incredible because you apply all the content that you're learning into some fun, engaging activity.
One of our favorite lessons was making snow out of the inside of a diaper. My students said it was the best day of their lives.
My students think the lessons are really fun and they're very engaged and they're always asking to watch more of their videos.
It's just amazing. I started with a 2-week free trial. My kids were obsessed, and that's when I'm like, you know what? I'm just going for it because these are perfect intro videos for my science lessons. So check it out.